guys! So, may kasama akong bago. Hindi yung baby ko, hindi. Kundi siya. Say hi. Ang name niya guys sa inyo. Well, kita niyo sa background. Medyo basa-basa yung sahig. Kasi yung ulan na makalakas. Kanina. Isa kasi. Friend at she loves YouTube so much. I think she can't live without YouTube. She's using my phone. She's watching Mr. Bean. But look at that. It's raining all day. So we've been staying all day with here. But guys, we all have a new baby. And his name will be Lucas. And I'm going to be doing his first night home and box opening. And he's staying alive. Morning routine, night routine. And someday with him. Well, he's a boy. Well, I haven't buy him yet. He's on the store. Like, wait guys. How big is he? Like, so big. It's a boy, let's say. Cute. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the kids right here. It's phone. Guys, it's kinda, oh my god. Baby and toys. Well, his name is Lucas. But I love him so much, and we're still researching him here in my iPad. Wait, guys. Well, this is Lucas, my baby boy, of course, my cute baby boy. This he's a boy with that part, boy, and also that part you can see the boy. He's a full body silicone. His boy, oh, look at that, cute butt. Oh my god, look at him, he's so cute. He's a full body silicone. Look at that one. You can see right that part, he's a boy. But you cannot see it in the face because he doesn't have any hair. He doesn't have any hair. He's still cute even though he don't have any hair. But we're gonna screenshot it. So cute. That's cute butt. Oops. Okay, back to it. That's cute butt. Oh, in the store, he usually have that mark because it's a powder. Well, yeah, this is powder, and I love him so much. I just saw him in the store, and he's so cute. I said, oh my god, we need to get this boy. We need to order this because it's so cute. I think we need to order this. It's just so cute. Daddy, I told him that, Daddy, I need money. I need cash. Because this cute baby boy, he's so cute. He's total cute boy. Bakit na ba ako nag-English bears? Well, I got him. I'll get him like how many days? Like after 3 days from now. Maybe March 3 or something. We don't know. Well, I ordered him with onesies and some Avent bottle, and I forgot to buy a bib. I have a bib at home, but it's for girls. I also bought him some strollers. Ano ka, nakabili na ako ng stroller. And I bought some stuff that he needs, but I forgot the bib and the feeding plate and feeding spoon. He only has one sneeze, but I forgot some outfits because he was so expensive. I can totally buy him, but in his cuteness, I trusted myself. I said, oh my god, we need to buy this baby boy. But he's a good boy. Well, yes. When he comes, I'm gonna buy him a passy and a milk. And I'm putty. Well, I'm gonna buy him a lot of diapers because for sure he's a beating boy. But in the nursery, let's sleeper. Oh my god. There's so many stuff right here in the store. Like this is a Lazada Philippine store. Oh my god. I usually get baby dolls, but right now I am having a boy for my first time and I'm so excited to get him. Oh my god, look at that crib. Look at that crib, guys. I think I'm gonna get it, but not right now. Maybe when I come back from my province, because I'm going home to my province. So, yeah. And of course, I'm gonna vlog in the bus. We're gonna buy a lot of food. Well, it's 24 hours. Or I'm gonna like do a 24-hour video. Actually, I'm Filipino, but I usually talk in English because I do love English. My dad talks to me in English, but usually sometimes some particular words I don't understand because yeah, just like keep it up. So I got some. Well, I got him a playmat. This playmat is so expensive. It's like 5,000 or something. It was, what was it? It was 3,500. It's kind of expensive, and I got him a toy, educational toy, rock tag. It's 1,600, and I bought him the
Ignore him.
this Super Bright Kids. So I bought him a megaphone. And I told my dad that he needs to buy some swimming pool playmats and some playgrounds in the house, some tents, and to buy an iPad for my baby. Well, sorry, it's kind of noisy, but yeah. And then when he grows up, I'm gonna show you how cute he is. But by the way, I'm gonna show you his cuteness and his box opening.
Nah.
Yes. And I'm also going to buy him some kids portable ball pool, baby tent, 120 cm, some temperatures, and some Lucky Man baby kid toy magnetic fishing 2 rods with pool, and some pool for a kiddie pool. Maybe this one, this kiddie pool. It's kind of cute. I like it. It's small. It's tiny. Look at that. Oh, this is my favorite color. Also yellow and blue. Well, I love those. Let me walk. And it also has a warning inside. But sometimes when I buy some stuff like a pool, there's no warning. And I don't like that. Oh, by the way, this is about the day of me and my friend. She is new from the club.
Lipat mo dito.
Oh, yeah.
Lipat mo dito itong Mr. Bean. Yan yung totoo.
Nice. Well, it kind of stopped raining. Oh, there it is. It kind of stopped raining. let's see outside. So it's not that hard. It's not that hard anymore, but it's still getting because it's kind of hot outside and it's kind of rainy. So I think we're gonna get some cookies. I think I want to eat some cookie. Turn back. Thank you. Well, someone gives her umbrella. I kind of love cookies that I made. These are from walnut.
Okay.
Oh,
Ito naman ang cookie naman. Okay.
it's from raisin nut.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, guys, I got home. Okay, guys, so I swallowed the cookie. So, yeah. So, guys, I hope you like the video, even though it's kind of noisy. So, kind of boring, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I only have like not that much of subscribers, but I hope you guys watch my videos because I'm a first timer vlogger. But I have post the wanted, what was that? Wanted something. Found yata yun. I don't know. Let's see on YouTube. If you want me then they can walk over my feet. Feet can't touch the ground, and I can't even stop. But wait till you keep running up. We're gonna put that. Oh yeah. I posted wanted funny queen. Miss Megan is sick after the curtain of Megan and Dance for a New Year. They upload part 1 to 4 and God Story celebration. I only have 1 subscriber. But guys, hope you subscribe to my channel, even though if you haven't, well, I'm just gonna check it later if I have more subscribers, because I'm a first timer. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I haven't seen one, so yeah, sorry about that. But guys, bye. I hope you enjoy the video. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say like. Don't forget to like,
Don't forget to like,
share,
share,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Flying kiss.
Mm-hmm.